Thank you so much for checking out this video. Today we'll have a look at this. It's a bit of a unicorn, very rare vehicle these days. It's a 23 Toyota Highlander Hybrid Limited. So this one here is excellent looking blueprint exterior color with harvest beige interior, hybrid synergy drive, 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. Let's have a closer look at it. It is a limited, very nice spec, very awesome looking vehicle. I really like how this blue color looks together with the chrome lines around it. This one has LED fog lights, LED daytime running lights, integrated side turning lamps on the side. Very nice 20-inch wheels. So these wheels are really cool. Let's have a closer look. They're almost like a chrome-like looking, but they're not. But they're like, you know, stand out a lot. And the same thing on the sides right here. We can see how this chrome stands out. We have a little bit of vent visors going on as well. Now on the side, we can also see that the roof rails, there are chrome right there. So that's why they stand out so much. So these are like the chrome, silver, you know, something like that, but they contrast real nice. And of course, as we move to the side, we can see this classic Toyota looks on the back as well. We have the spoiler here, and here from the back we have bumper protector plate, and same thing, it contrasts really nicely with this blue exterior color and the chrome elements that we have going on around the vehicle. This one here also has front and rear mud splash guards, so they of course have you know, good function, practical function, as well as a visual enhancement if you like, you know, these kind of accessories on the vehicle. Now this one here also has a panoramic moonroof. It's hard to see because it's black and, you know, we have this dark color. Let's open up the vehicle. So the key looks like this. So we have Toyota Highlander right here, and it's your typical Toyota key with lock and unlock buttons. And yeah, let's open up and let's see how it looks. We're gonna check out the this interior so we can see how the panoramic roof stands out right here. And this interior is a harvest beige interior color. I really like this color combo, this blue with this harvest beige. And as we jump in, we can see we have these two captain chairs in the back, and that's how the front looks. So we have very good looking you know, steering wheel, the infotainment screen. We'll have a closer look in a second here with all the options that this comes in. But from second row perspective, it looks really good. Lots of light coming through this big panoramic roof. These captain chairs are awesome. And then we have a third row seat right here for extra 3 more people. So this is a good 7-seater. Okay, so we can control the temperature from the second row. So this one has 3-zone independent automatic climate control, kind of cool. Phone outlets right here. We have all the necessities. We also have the sunshade on the second row, which is a very important feature to have in summertime and for extra privacy if you want to. As we open the door, we can see how this beige interior contrasts. The door is especially very well designed. We have this wood look-alike element right here. Then we have black plastic around it, and then we have this beige color on here. So the doors definitely looks really cool, and we have 2 memory positions for the driver. These seats, they're heated and ventilated. Let's jump in and see how they feel. Okay, they feel really good. I really like this Toyota, and especially of course the fact that it's limited gives us a lot of options. So push the start button, let's start it. Being a hybrid, sometimes it can be very quiet. So that screen right there, it's a 12.3 inches infotainment display. So this one also has, you know, heated steering wheel. If we talk about some other options, the seats I already mentioned, they're heated and ventilated. Very cool, you know, thing to have. We can't see it right now, but it also has LED ambient lights and 11 speaker JBL audio system, also for your phones and whatnot. So we have charging cords right here, we have wireless charging pad right here, and of course you can you know, use wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. It's important to know that because nobody really likes to deal with cords these days. So steering wheel is very nice. You can feel that this is brand new vehicle, nice to touch, smells like new, so it's hard to describe how it smells, but it's really cool. Very good central console, and I really like that it's made to look like an SUV truck. Like you have this distinct horizontal block right there, and then you have this central console, so it's not sort of like blended in like a car or anything like that. We put in reverse, and we have the backup camera, so we have nice big screen on that, and all these dials and everything else. So it's a good mix of buttons and digital information. So same thing here for vent speed, so the information pops up right here, and this one of course is touch screen as well. So there we go. We just checked out this really good looking Toyota Hybrid. It's a 2023 beautiful harvest beige interior, and exterior is blueprint blue. Looks really, really cool. So thank you so much for checking it out, and see you in next videos.